Hey, Math 6, happy Friday. Weekend is almost here. Keep plowing through today, doing an awesome job as always. I am so proud of each and every one of you. You make distance learning so much fun for me, and I really appreciate all of your hard work. So there's a little laugh for you on this Friday morning or afternoon, whenever you're watching. Somebody please laugh. Luca, did you laugh? Natalia, I can always count on you to laugh. Tyler, you get it? I know you do. All right. Today we're going to continue reviewing how to solve one-step equations. You watched a Math Antics YouTube video yesterday that I posted for the assignments. We've watched his videos sometimes in class before. I know it was a little longer, but it's a really good refresher. If there's one thing that I want us to feel the strongest about going into 7th grade next year, it's solving and balancing equations. This is going to help you in pre-algebra. This is going to help you in science over the next 2 years. So I just wanted to take a few days this week to review that very important topic. But before we talk a little bit more about one-step equations, let's do a mental math warm-up together. These are featuring 2 that you sent in. So start with 37, multiply by 2, increase by 6, decrease by 45, divide by 5. Drum roll, please. Should have gotten 7. If not, you know the drill. Rewind, try it again. All right, let's do one more. Start with 200 and divide by 8. Multiply by 4. Multiply by 10. Divide by 20. And you should have gotten 50. Thanks guys for sending these in. I think I have 1 or 2 more that we can roll into next week, but I'll be asking you for more mental math warm-up ideas soon, and maybe some memes or jokes to put on our slides. All right, one-step equations. You did some practice with this yesterday, but just as a reminder, I want you to think of an equation. Remember, it's a problem with an equal sign, and I want you to think of the equal sign as a balance. So they have to be equal. We have to maintain both sides. So whatever we're doing to one side, we need to do to the other, using the inverse operation. So remember, multiplication and division are inverse operations. Addition and subtraction are inverse operations. You want to isolate the variable, the letter that represents the unknown. So look at whatever operation is happening to that variable and use that to guide you in balancing the equation. Some of these you might be able to solve using mental math, totally cool, but make sure you feel comfortable by actually writing out the equation and showing your work on both sides of the equal sign. That's going to get more and more important as we move into 2-step equations next year. Sound good? All right, there will be some practice linked on the assignment sheet for you today. Make sure you check that out. As always, email me if you have any questions. Keep talking to each other. I know you have each other's phone numbers. You can FaceTime, you can text. Keep working together. You guys are such a collaborative class, and we want to keep that going. Looking ahead to next week, as a reminder, we will be meeting a mandatory on Tuesday and Thursday at 11 o'clock. If for some reason that's not working with your schedule, you need to let me know as soon as possible. We will meet in Google Meet from 11 to 11:30 on Tuesday and Thursday using the code MATH6GOLD. So you can hop onto the Meet then. At 11:30 or around 11:30, give or take a few minutes, I will give you the option to carry on with your day and work through other assignments. If you have questions or want more practice or to meet with me in a small group or one-on-one, you'll be able to stay. Also, depending on how the assignments are going, I might ask you to stay as well. So really block out the 11 to 12 o'clock time, but know that it could fluctuate and our time together could end a little early. All right, so if you have a calendar, if you're using a planner, if you have sticky notes all over your desk like I do, make sure that you're writing down right now that we are meeting Tuesday and Thursday at 11 o'clock. As always, you guys can email me with any questions. I miss you, Oodles, and I hope you have a wonderful weekend. See you later.